Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to create a simple Python script that generates a QR code from any text you input. First, we import the qrcode module from the qrcode library. This module will handle all the heavy lifting for generating QR codes. From qrcode import qrcode, error correct LWE also import error correct L, which helps us define error correction. Next, we define a function called qrcode. This function takes two parameters, data, which is the text or URL you want to convert into a QR code, and name, the file name for saving the QR code. Now, inside the function, we initialize a qrcode object and customize its parameters equals qrcode version equals 1, controls the size of the QR code. Here it's the smallest. Error correction equals error correct L, allows for up to 7% error correction. Box size equals 10, this sets how big each box of the QR code will be. Border equals 4 adds a margin of 4 boxes around the code. This allows us to control the QR code size and error correction level. Then, we add the data that will be encoded in the QR code with add data. QR, add data data. The make fit equals true ensures that the QR code fits perfectly based on the data size. QR, make fit equals true. Finally, we generate the image and save it using makeImage. QR, makeImage, save name. At the bottom, we call the qrcode function, prompting the user to enter the data and file name for the QR code. qrcode input enter the data, input enter the name of the file. And that's it. In just a few lines of Python code, we've built a simple tool to generate custom QR codes. Now you can try it out yourself and see how easy it is to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support really helps me create more content like this. And if you're interested in more Python tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on new videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, there's always something to learn here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.